In a flooded town, while many worried about their own homes, a group of volunteers had one mission: save the dogs left behind. They walked through chest-deep water, searching every corner for signs of life. One by one, they found dogs stranded in the flood, tired, shivering, but still holding on. Without hesitation, the volunteers lifted each one into their arms, carrying them across the water to safety. No spotlight, no reward, just pure compassion. Because sometimes the greatest measure of humanity is how far we'll go to protect those who can't protect themselves.
I imagine we fell